Many people think they are setting goals when in reality they are more like wishes. What's the main difference? Goals fully embrace the idea of self-responsibility. When we set goals, we fully and consciously understand that whatever we've chosen to create is completely dependent on our own actions. It's always wonderful when we receive unexpected gifts from others, but if this is our primary strategy for getting through life, not only are we setting ourselves up for disappointment, but we are leaving our future in the hands of others. This is perfectly fine for children, but as fully functioning adults, it is our responsibility to create our lives the way we want them. When we set goals, we are making a choice. Our future belongs to us, and we are willing to do anything necessary to make it happen. Oftentimes, when we set goals that are really wishes, we state them as if they are going to happen on their own. We act as if simply stating them out loud is all that needs to be done. We'll talk about common fears in later videos that are false and how to keep them from stopping you. When we make a solid choice rather than a wish and really own the choice, something powerful and profound will happen on an unconscious level. When we make a wish, it's implied that somebody else is going to do all the work and we don't really feel we need to do anything. But when we make a strong choice and own that choice, we'll flip a seemingly magical switch in our minds that will make taking action seem natural and easy. In our next video, we'll look at a specific example that will make this more clear. I'll see you there.